Hey, it's me, Hans the Ramen Raider, and I'm back at it again. It's time for more bread. So the last loaf that I did came out really well using actually just ground up instant noodles. I think I added a little too much moisture, so I'm gonna try it again. And I'm gonna try it with top ramen, chicken flavor. Yeah, this should be interesting. Let's do this. Well, it's done. Well, this didn't go as I expected. It kind of looks like we just made rolls. And here's a piece. Also kind of looks like falafel. Here's another piece. Definitely not as much moisture this time. It is pretty hot. Yeah, it didn't have enough to make it all stick together, and it is very hot. I guess we can just give it a try. You know what it reminds me of is popcorn chicken. This is like popcorn chicken instant noodle thing. Yeah, look at that. It almost looks like fried clams. Look at that. It looks like an appetizer. Say, that's not bad. Top ramen chicken bread bites? Well, let's take some beauty shots. Well, interesting. I tried to make one thing and something else completely not like what I was looking for came out. But it's not bad. Little crunchy deals. Just lovely with some spicy sauce. This experimentation is some of the most fun stuff I've ever done involving instant noodles. It's like a chicken nugget. Look at that. Something new. Something new to make. You can make this. Just get some noodles, get a pack of top ramen, grind it up, make it so, do it up. Then it's yours. You can eat it, share it around, give it to friends. All right, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.